friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to resize images in Microsoft Paint. First of all, open Microsoft Paint in your laptop or PC. Here I open Paint and then you go to open the image for which you would like to resize. For that, just go to the file and then go to open and select the desired file from your hard drive. Here I would like to select this file, and this is the image that I would like to change the size. Okay, so to change the size, what you to do is just click on resize icon. Go to the top and here you will see the resize icon. This is the resize icon. Okay, this icon is resize icon. Just click it and it will open a box like this. Here you have to use the percentage option or pixels. Okay, so if you would like to use pixels option, you can easily set desired correct pixels according to your wish. Click on pixels and here you can change the horizontal length. So horizontal already it is 1279. If you would like to reduce or increase, you can just type. Okay, here I would like to type 1280. Okay, 1280 I typed. According to this original image size, the vertical size will be changed. Okay, so if you would like to change custom vertical size, what you got to do is just unselect this. Okay, and then here you can delete already available text and then you can replace with your own text. Here I would like to use 720 and then click on OK. Yes, now it has been resized like this. To save this edited resized image, you can save it over the original one or you can save it as a different file. Okay, if you would like to save it over the original one, if you don't want original, just press Ctrl S. Ctrl Yes, then it will save it over the original one. Otherwise, if you want to keep the original one, later we can edit original one to different one. Okay, always it is safe to save images as a different one. Edited image should be saved a different one for future reference. Okay, so for that what you would do is just go to file and then click on Ctrl S. Okay, then you have to click on JPG image picture and then you rename like a new one. So here I rename is ADCT edited. Okay, whatever you name you want to give, just remember it and give it and save it. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.